Replacing floor drains. Remove the old floor drain using the pointed cold chisel. Wipe the edge of the drain hole using a rag. Use the agar wire to remove the foreign bodies inside the hole trap. Clear the drain hole and plug it using rags. Before installing the floor drain strainer, you may flush 2 to 3 liters of water to make sure that the drain is functional. Install the new floor drain. Be sure that the floor drain is 2 to 3 millimeters below the tiles. Apply the silicone to seal the edges of the floor drain.